Hey you guys, it's Melissa from whatwouldmelissawear.com, and if you're in the mood to become a handy-mandy and do a little DIY project for your master bedroom, stay tuned because I am going to share with you guys how you can make your own diamond tuft king size upholstered headboard. Now, I did this project when I was back home in St. Croix with my older sister Latoya. Latoya is amazing at building things from scratch just by looking at a photo. Me, no. I can decorate something, but building it, no. That is so not me. So Latoya built this bed from scratch and I just upholstered it. This project can be done alone, but the more the merrier. Get some helping hands in and get power tools, okay? Like, I was so happy that Latoya had all these tools and I had access to them, because it would have taken me much longer and I would have been more frustrated without them. All right, so head over to whatwouldmelissawear.com for instructions, cheat sheets, and how to make this project more cost efficient. I'm going to make an upholstered headboard. I am in the fabric store looking for fabric, honey foam, batting. So right now I'm in Home Depot. I need a stick for this project, and let's pray that I don't injure myself. Now I am getting the wood just to be building the platform, because I'm not doing that. My sister built the platform bed, and now we're going to do the measurements for the headboard. Normally I am the queen of ain't nobody got time for that, but since this quarantine, I got time, and everyone knows I have time. So I've been doing little side projects. So first step, you need to buy contact adhesive glue, extra strength, and I'm going to spray down the board, and then I'm going to place the foam on top and cut. Alright, for the corners you need to fold it like a present. You're gonna be my assistant today, King? You have to dress the bed.